Power factor can be unity, lagging or leading, and if you are confused, how to differentiate between lagging and leading power factor, then you are not alone. But don't worry, it's so simple. When people talk about leading or lagging phase, they are talking about current. If current is leading the voltage, the power factor would be leading. And if it is lagging, the power factor would be lagging. Remember, it's current who is leading or lagging the voltage. Inductor is an enemy of current. So it allows voltage to pass easily, but tries to stop the current. So, in a race between voltage and current loses because inductor doesn't allow it to pass quickly. And thus current lags, which makes power factor lag as well. Capacitor allows the current to pass, but voltage appears slowly across the capacitor's plates. So, current reach finish line first and thus wins the phase race. And celebrates it with a leading power factor.